Cooking pasta at home has never been easier or more enjoyable, thanks to this Bialetti 5.5 quart pasta pot with strainer lid. Designed with both convenience and versatility in mind, this kitchen essential is ideal for pasta lovers, home cooks, and anyone who loves preparing hearty meals with minimal fuss. Whether you're boiling spaghetti, cooking lasagna, or preparing stews, this pot is built to handle it all. Why the Bialetti 5.5 quart pasta pot is perfect for you? Space-saving design. The elongated oval shape allows for efficient use of stovetop space, especially if you have limited kitchen space. Large capacity. With the ability to cook up to 1.5 pounds of pasta or a whole lobster, this pot is perfect for big meals or meal prep. Healthy cooking. The nonstick interior allows you to cook without excessive oils or fats, making it a great choice for healthier meals. Multi-purpose. Use it for pasta, vegetables, soups, stews, seafood, meats, and more. Why should you buy the Bialetti 5.5 quart pasta pot? Let's break down the key features and benefits that make the Bialetti 5.5 quart pasta pot stand out among other cookware options. Number 1. Generous 5.5 quart capacity. At 5.5 quarts, this pot is large enough to accommodate all your cooking needs, from a big batch of pasta to vegetables, soups, and even a whole lobster. The pot is designed for versatility, allowing you to cook up to 1.5 pounds of pasta, 5 pounds of chopped potatoes, 12 cups of broccoli, 8 ears of corn, 1 whole lobster. Whether you're cooking for a family, hosting a dinner party, or meal prepping for the week, the spacious design of the Bialetti 5.5 quart pasta pot ensures that you can make large portions in one go. Number 2. Multi-purpose kitchen tool. The elongated oval design of this pot is inspired by traditional Italian cooking techniques, making it perfect for preparing long noodles like spaghetti and lasagna. But don't let the name fool you. The Bialetti pasta pot is far more versatile than just a pasta cooker. You can use it for a variety of other dishes, including vegetables. Steam or cook a variety of veggies like broccoli, carrots, and asparagus. Soups and stews. The large capacity makes it perfect for simmering hearty soups and stews. Rice and beans. Cook your favorite grains and legumes with ease. Seafood. Boil shellfish or fish fillets without worrying about overcrowding the pot. Meats and curries. It's also great for slow cooking meats or preparing flavorful curries. The Bialetti pasta pot proves that it's not just for pasta. It's a multi-purpose kitchen tool that can handle a wide variety of dishes with ease. Number 3. Lockable strainer lid for effortless draining. One of the most innovative features of the Bialetti pasta pot is its lockable strainer lid. Gone are the days of fumbling with a separate colander or strainer. The twist and lock lid securely attaches to the pot and features integrated holes that allow you to drain water from your pasta without the mess. Simply twist the lid into place, tilt the pot, and let the excess water drain out. No more messy transfers. You no longer have to risk spilling pasta when transferring it to a colander. Convenient draining. The lockable strainer lid makes draining water safer and more convenient than ever. This small yet highly effective feature makes a huge difference when it comes to saving time and effort during meal prep. Number 4. Ergonomic, heat-resistant handles. Cooking on the stove can get pretty hot, and nothing is more frustrating than dealing with handles that burn your hands. The Bialetti pasta pot features ergonomic, heat-resistant handles that ensure a comfortable, secure grip while you're cooking or transferring the pot. These handles stay cool to the touch, reducing the risk of burns or accidents in the kitchen. Secure grip. The ergonomic design ensures that you have complete control while handling the pot, even when it's full of hot food. Heat-resistant. You can cook without worrying about the handles getting too hot. Final thoughts. Is the Bialetti 5.5 quart pasta pot worth it? If you're looking for a versatile, easy-to-use, and durable cooking pot that can handle a variety of tasks, the Bialetti 5.5 quart pasta pot with strainer lid is an excellent investment. From its non-stick interior to the ergonomic handles and lockable strainer lid, every feature is designed to make your cooking experience simpler and more enjoyable. This Bialetti 5.5 quart pasta pot is a must-have for anyone who loves cooking with ease and efficiency. From making pasta to stews, this versatile pot is the one tool you need in your kitchen for stress-free cooking and cleanup. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.